Hi. Also, to stick your flowers easily on any surface, I recommend using the Scotch double-sided mounting squares. I cut them down to smaller pieces to stretch out my buck. My wall's textured with gloss, and I tried other types of tapes and they keep falling off. I tried even glue dots, and that didn't work. For cleanup, it was pretty easy to take off. It left no residue, and I didn't have to worry about cleaning. Also, be careful when unsticking the tissue paper flowers. They will rip. Remove it slowly just in case you want to reuse these flowers. We left the flowers for about 2 days and they didn't fall off, so no disappointment of them falling off midday. If you are interested in buying these, I'll make sure to link every product I used in the description box. Thanks for watching.